Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in T3 Arena. If your matches feel choppy or delayed, do not worry at all. Most lag issues can be improved with a few quick settings and device tweaks. First of all, make sure to launch open the T3 Arena game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go to the menu button at the top right corner from the home screen. Now from the expanded menu, click on Options. Under Options, tap on Graphics from the left-hand side menu. After you open up the graphic option, go to the graphic quality at the top and make sure to select Normal or Basic. Now right next to Resolution, select Low or Medium. Under Effects, select Low or Extremely Low. And under Shadow, make sure to turn it off. And once you do that, under Frame Rate, tap on Normal or Low. You can select High if your device can handle it smoothly. Right after you change to these settings, you can go to the Home button, and now the settings will be applied. The lower visual selection will make your smoother FPS, so you will be able to fix the FPS lag issue in the T3 Arena game. The next thing you want to do is to close off background running apps such as social media apps, videos, browser apps. After you close them off, you'll free up RAM, which will improve your game performance immediately. If you've turned on device's power saving, you can turn that off. These modes reduces CPU and GPU speed, causing FPS drop. So after you make these changes, you will be able to fix your lagging issue in T3 Arena. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.